Alright, I'm going to do a demo of the latest composite ballot box application. So the idea behind the ballot box is that multiple people can submit ballots into the ballot box, and the ballot box is not your typical ballot. If you're familiar with U.S. style voting, instead the ballots are just ordered preferences of what you'd like the most, all the way down to what you'd like the least. So you get to choose, pick many choices, and rank those choices. So I'm going to give a demonstration of how you do that using composite and the ballot box application of composite, which I've put together. So right here I'm going to add a choice. Apple pie, and I hit plus to add another choice, and pumpkin pie, blueberry pie, and last, cherry pie. Alright, so I've just created the ballot, and now I'm gonna send it out to 3 of my friends, and then they'll get the ballots, and they'll be able to fill in or rank their choices, and then we'll be able to pick whichever pie is highest on average in the lists. So to create another ballot, I hit the plus here. I'm going to create 3 ballots. Let's call this person Brian, this one Peter, this one Jim. Alright, so the way things work now is that any user can go in and change another user's ballot. So amongst friends, this shouldn't be an issue. I think that it's important to eventually add the feature where only users of their own ballot can make changes to that ballot. But for now, we can get the job done if we just trust that people aren't going to monkey around with other people's ballots. So Brian, looking at his ballot, he says, I like pumpkin pie, I'm going to vote that up. And I like apple pie, and cherry pie, and then blueberry pie. Peter likes blueberry. Alright, well, I guess I didn't test this well enough. So if this were working, you'd be able to move these choices around for the different ballots, and each person would be just interested in their own ballot. But that's the idea, is that you just make a starting ballot, and then you can make copies and then fill in the names of the people who are to vote, and then you just take and score the top vote. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this one, cherry pie, would be the choice here. Well, actually, let's see. 3, 3, 3 would be 9. This is 4, 4, 2. So that would be 10. Yeah, cherry pie would win out, and then if a person were to want to go and get cherry pie for the group, then on average the group would get would be most satisfied. You do the best you can for the group, or get like the optimal choice for the group, which makes everyone on average as happy as they can be if they have one choice. Now, that doesn't mean you couldn't choose the top 2. So that's also falls out of this technique. So that's a demonstration of the ballot box application using composite. There's still more work to do, but keep watching, and I'll have another iteration and with new features. So stay tuned.